Well, this in here is, the wind is wanting to really take it up, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Unless that's my settings. No, that's my settings. I have to keep constantly giving it down.
Oh.
I'm taking care of that. Well, no, now I gave it too much down. Let's see what it'll do now. That's a little better. That's a Kenny move. I can't ever get it to hang on the prop. I try, but I don't do it.
Yeah, maybe one day you'll figure it out.
I don't know. My hand and eye coordination is not very good. Remember when you used to bowl?
Oh yeah.
I'd go up there with you.
Yeah.
I'd end up hitting my right outside of my right knee with that ball.
Oh, hit your ankle or something. Oh,
Yeah.
that hurts.
And
I haven't bowled in a while.
I can't dance. I couldn't march very well. I can't sing or play an instrument. I can't do anything. It takes rhythm or coordination.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
I keep working with airplanes, but
Yeah, it helps with dexterity.
like I say though, on these airplanes, I end up. I've been flying airplanes for 20 years, and it's like 1 year experience 20 times over.
That was a good plate. So far. Yeah, there you go. Oh, get the grass.
Well,
The part you don't want to hit.
got out of it though.
You did. What kind of wheels are these? Little plastic ones?
Yeah.
You can definitely tell. Hear the sound of them's a little different than like a air wheel or a rubber wheel.
I think they're plastic. Look at that wind.
Yeah.
Wants to take me right back, head me right back into the wind.
It's not a speed demon, is it?
No.
Some of them ones are just like, how fast they go.
You know, some of these jets go 130 miles an
I
hour.
don't know what it is over 100 or if it's over 100.
This thing here with full force may go 40 miles an hour. Yeah, the little plastic wheel.
Okay, yeah.
I think they kept the weight down on it, you know.
That's still pretty fast though.
It may go 40 miles an hour.
What's the minimum speed you can go and stay in the air? You gotta go at least
Well,
25 or something? I mean, there's
I
gotta
would.
be a minimum.
This one here, in a wind, you can stay in the air. You can hover like a kite. You can have no speed whatsoever because the wind will.
Correct, but there's no wind or very little wind.
Yeah, you can. I don't know. Stall speed on some of them may be, I don't know, 25 mile an hour, 30 mile an hour, something like that. All depends on the makeup of the airplane.